If you are looking for the best AI image generator in 2026, two of the biggest names are Flux AI and Midjourney. Both can create stunning images from simple text prompts, but they have different strengths. In this video, I'll compare their image quality, ease of use, customization options, pricing, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for you. Image quality. Let's start with image quality. Midjourney is known for creating highly artistic and visually impressive images. It excels at cinematic scenes, fantasy art, concept designs, and creative projects. The images often look polished straight out of the box, with very little editing required. Flux AI, developed by Black Forest Labs, focuses more on realism, prompt accuracy, and text rendering. It generally follows instructions more precisely and produces more realistic human faces and objects. It also handles text inside images better than Midjourney. If your goal is artistic and creative visuals, Midjourney has the edge. If you need realistic images and accurate prompt results, Flux AI is often the better choice. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Flux AI is more flexible. You can access Flux through various platforms and AI image generators, making it easy to integrate it into existing workflows. Midjourney has become easier over time thanks to its web interface, but it still feels more focused on its own ecosystem. For beginners, both are relatively simple, but Flux may offer more flexibility depending on where you use it. Customization and control. Flux AI provides strong prompt adherence and works well with advanced workflows, especially for creators who want more control over the final result. Midjourney offers features like image references, style references, and personalization tools that help users maintain a consistent artistic style across projects. For professional designers and advanced users, both are powerful, but Flux tends to prioritize accuracy while Midjourney prioritizes style. Pros and cons. Flux AI Pros: excellent realism, better text rendering, strong prompt accuracy, flexible platform availability, often more affordable. Flux AI Cons: artistic styles may not be as impressive as Midjourney, experience varies depending on the platform you use. And when talking about Midjourney Pros, outstanding artistic image quality, great for concept art and creative projects, strong style consistency, large and active community. Midjourney Cons: subscription-based pricing, less accurate with complex prompts, text generation can be inconsistent. Final verdict. So which one is the best? Choose Flux AI if you want realistic images, accurate prompt interpretation, better text rendering, and more flexibility. Choose Midjourney if your priority is creating visually stunning artwork, concept art, and highly stylized images with minimal effort. For most business users, marketers, and content creators, Flux AI is often the more practical option for artists and designers focused on creativity and visual impact. Midjourney remains one of the best AI image generators available. And that's the comparison. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.